Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we dey our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm a familiar setting when they come they ask Edu Gaspar, will be Arsenal technical director, about Rafinha and why Arsenal no sign the guy. So Edu Gaspar come they explain say in contact Deco will be Rafinha agents, but two of them get long-standing relationships. So two of them come discuss can say waiting it would take for us to bring this Rafinha come to Emirates. So Deco come and say, you know say you be my guy, me I no feel life for you. You see this player now, in dream to go to Barca. He don't tell me say na Barca or nothing. So maybe na not just waste your time. If you don't like when I agree a deal with Leeds, no go work, me I no just worry. So that's why Arsenal come pull out. But Chelsea they no get a relationship with Deco, so they don't really understand what they sub. Chelsea don't go agree deal with Leeds United. They think say that one be the main cuckoo. Now they can't offer personal terms to Rafinha. Rafinha don't even answer them about just snub them. Just tell them say, Baba, you know what I don't tell you. If no be Barca, on my own stay here 1 more year. That is why that move which Chelsea take one speed with Barca one do. Because Barca be the delay one kind. But as I can see say, Chelsea already agree a deal in principle. Barca just flying, come complete everything. So that is why Arsenal no sign Rafinha. No be say the guy reject us or anything. And I just in dream say this is where I want to go. If I know they go this place, or let's say maybe Barca talk say okay, we know they sign you again, you can look for plan B, but not just plan A and gets no B or no anything. So now what is up with that? Then the Daily Express don't come outside, can they give us some reports from Italy. So they can talk say Edu Gaspar already agree a deal with Juventus to sign Melo on a 1-year season-long loan. Though this same report, blessing are exclusive news, I never hear them for the main suspect. All those kind, David Einstein, Gianluca, Di Marzio, Fabrizio Romano. I never hear Ben Jacobs. I never hear this news from all these main suspects again. So are they on the lookout? If I just see any of them, we just break up. I will let you know because I know say Arsenal also they go for Melo. Everybody know that they like him because you know what happened for the previous January now. Everybody know what is up. So now, but the question now is if we get this Melo, many pundits they talk say Melo now go close the chapter of Yuri Tillemans because it's a no-brainer to bring in Melo and still bring in a Yuri Tillemans again. I don't really see that happening because Melo will be a cheaper option because another two people when they talk to say the feel don't tell Yuri Tillemans say make it still stay for Leicester at least for 6 months. Then by January we can agree a pre-contract to get because by January then people go there open to agree pre-contract deal with Yuri Tillemans so that at the end of the summer he go move for free or enter Arsenal. Maybe now we say to Gaspar and the Ateta the reason say you still get 1 more year, still play for them, play for them. Then when you finish, just drafting, come join us. By then we run the Champions League so that you can follow us, scatter the Champions League and never know whether that is the plan moving forward or whether they still want to sign Melo and still sign the guy again. I never really know. I don't know how all these things go play out. We'll just watch. Times this year. I'm a Lyon recruitment chief they call Bruno Cheru. Don't come and say let us know say they won't reduce their squad size. You get so they call they ask for media said they say she then they open to selling Lucas Paqueta. But what can say every player with they contracted to them they available. You get if they see a better offer then go flush them out. And this thing come be like say now reply they reply to Edu Gaspar because Edu Gaspar come out yesterday for media said they talk say in like Lucas Paqueta. But at the moment now there are no deals, there are no talks, there are no proposals, no offers from Arsenal to Lyon say they won't sign up. So that guy called let us know say almost everybody they available because we don't really say the guy is contracted to them. If you don't know move, no go scatter what then get in play. But now they let us know say everybody get price. Everybody if you want buy and make it come let us know because many players now they for Lyon will be very unhappy because they are not going to Europe. They're just playing Ligue 1 and all those cups only for Ligue 1. So now I never know how it will be. We said once upon a time we were in the same situation. Oh, no go Europe, can't get surplus players. A lot of people went out on loan because we could not play everybody. You get games no plenty. So they play maybe once in 7 days, or sometimes once in 10 days. So now Lyon not they face that kind of patch. So most of their stars now don't they find their square root. That's why Lucas Paqueta said one move. Yes, well time still day because now we put Melo for our side, Lucas Paqueta for our side, Yuri Tillemans for our side. We still need a striker and a winger. We got like 5 people get the reason, but we don't fit sign all of them. Like what I did tell somebody yesterday, say many positions don't will fit strengthen, but we cannot fix all these problems in this window. It's not possible. We still need another window to do something, either a January transfer window to bring in some people, or at the summer they will come complete all the people we want. You don't expect us to solve all our problems in this particular window. We've signed 5 already. If you add Saliba when they enter, Saliba is like a new player. That is 6 players already. So how many one sign? One sign up to 10 players in one window? It's not possible. You get? So that's how it just be. So the little one will not sign now. Maybe if we add maybe one more person, they will close up shop. So okay, till next summer they will manage what we have, and that's how it's going to be. Saliba agents don't they spotted for London. Saliba agents they call Jibril Niang. Why don't they for London? So many people can speculate, say Saliba contracts. Maybe that's why the guy come put pen to paper, sign the extension. We don't really know. Even Fabrizio Romano yesterday second they talk say the contract deal say never really did so close like that. So we never really know, but people just speculate say that is why the agents fly enter London. So we never know. More just the watch. If this contract extension talks don't they get clarity or don't they get momentum, I will let you know. Mikel Arteta and Gabriel Magalhaes secondly spotted for Arsenal cameraman. We keep them pictures, say then they do one-on-one discussion. So many people kind of wonder waiting then they talk. So me kind of speculating maybe Arteta kind of reason the guy say, Baba how far now? I hope say you know the reason that Juventus smoke. Say Juventus the reason you say may come join them. Oh, because you know they say. I hope say you know the reason now. And how the season go now. Listen, now you supposed to handle the back. I be the fear say Saliba don't join us. Say maybe Saliba go pursue you. Me I don't know. I don't speculate, but two of them they do one kind of serious meeting like the cameraman on the snap them back. So we don't know what they sub share. Well, just hope that something looks like it's going to be the leadership they lack for that back. They handle everything. You get now just Saliba around the Ben White done the Robo this the Pablo Maris on his way out. So I just hope a good meeting the division. Amaury Palo will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside. Can they advise Reece Nelson? Say this one if you say don't go on loan now. When I fire not didn't go on loan, so I don't forget. Don't come back. Now you are back to the fold. So you go get chances for Europa League. Let's just hope they know they send you out on loan again. You will get chances for Europa League and some cups. You get when those chances come, make sure you take it. Take it with all your hands, legs, head, everything, with your soul. Take and make something out of them. Score goals. If you know score goals, make assists. Make massive contributions. Say Pochibo see so okay, oh yeah, come and play in the first 11. That was how Saka did it. Remember when Saka played Europa League when they danced, everybody was who be this small boy? Who be this small boy? From left back, now you don't draft and go forward. That is the kind of impact we want you to be making when you come in. See how Nketiah self doing own last season. Now from sub, so the guy comes in, so if he enter, he said we don't see the difference there, the bites, the hunger, the zeal, everything there. That's when they advise the guy say, make hay while the sun shines. Once coaches say, oh yeah, enter 15 minutes. That 15 minutes, make sure you run things again, and everything will be well with you. They say Lucas Torreira for Italy with former Fiorentina player they call Lucas Quarta, and two of them call the flex, they call they enjoy. So they call they bring this speculation, say Torreira they on a way to move to another club. Whether Fiorentina won't come back for him, we don't know yet. Whether that's Valencia, we don't know yet. Many people they interested in him, so they won't carry him. Even Juve itself at one point they interested in him because he was the player of the season for Fiorentina. How Fiorentina now missed out from signing him permanently. A person will be saying I'm a player of your season. No sign up. That shows they are not a club that wants to progress. Now waiting the thing they tell me. Well, what they say how they go sharp. We never know the club will want go for Torreira now. Then away from that, so West Ham don't come and say they want move for Martin Torreira of Stade de Reims. This guy scored 21 goals for Ligue 1 last season. This season we just passed. He scored more goals than Messi and Neymar combined. Two of them, because the guy scored 21. The guy they hot like fire. Now the reason we make West Ham they go for the guy now because Arsenal don't they show interest in signing Jarrod Bowen. Jarrod Bowen now West Ham winger. The guy said the hot, and Arsenal said don't get meeting with his representatives this week. May they know that the guy they open to a move to Arsenal. If they open to a move, then they'll come start to negotiate a fee from West Ham. But at the same time, West Ham said don't they speed the process. Don't go to look for a replacement immediately. And this Terra, the guy they hot like fire. Because West Ham said they said that the para this season, they don't carry Gianluca Di Scamacca. The guy they enter London this week, come doing medical. After they don't agree a fee, about £30-something million. They agree a fee with Sassuolo. this guy look at this Kamaka. Well, we'll just see now. This first season will be an audition for him. Let's just see, because somebody even they bring one argument, say if Gianluca this Kamaka was that good, say many top clubs for go for him. Because how many top clubs went for him? Not really. Say if it was that good, like the senior man, super good, they will be going to a West Ham. They don't go Champions League and UEFA Europa Conference League. I didn't even go in there, sir. I think they are going there. So I don't just know. Well, good Williams to bad rubbish. Now they won't be that. Nicolas Pepe don't come outside for Instagram, call they post one kind message. So Baba when they show some kind signs of not going anywhere. Say he wants to stay for Arsenal to fight for him place. So what you call the post be saying, call the talk say I work hard during the summer. I changed a lot of things. I am focused and determined with Arsenal and my teammates. So this one are like indication say he know they go anywhere. Say he wants to stay for Arsenal, fight for him place, give us squad depth. So I know say this guy gets 2 years left on his contract. So more the watch. Maybe this season will be the breakthrough for him, because they don't get some kind of new addition. We go to make everything sweet for him. I never really know, because once upon a time this guy was very hot in Lille. I remember when they once signed this guy. As I watch him on YouTube, I was mad. I was ecstatic. I was like, God, don't sign Messi last. But at the end of the day, the guy felt like a pack of cards. The guy flopped like flop. I mean, I don't just understand. We just see, maybe like this season we just make the guy blow like fire. My monetary spirit they call AFC stuff. So don't come outside on the talk. Say Arsenal and Fulham don't they close to agreeing an £8 million deal for Leno. You know, Arsenal last after Leno they begged them, they reduce their fee from 15 million, we reduce them to 10. So okay, Fulham or you come buy. Fulham see they still get money. They can offer us 7 million plus £3 million in additional bonus fee. But Arsenal see they no wonder one. We need cash up front. Now Arsenal reduce them to £8 million for them again. So yeah, I mean I can't carry, because Leno they desperate to move from Arsenal to Fulham, because he knows say we're gonna get 3 super keepers. I'm not gonna keep 3 of them. Imagine having a Ramsdale, a Matt Turner, and Ben Leno in one team, plus Otto Okonkwo again. Abba, what's this up now? So now the guy want to move to Fulham. Well, we wish him all the best. Now make Fulham come pay the £8 million and then carry and they go Jerry. Now we already start the exodus. Now we know say we need to sell players to just make space in case we want to do new additions. So Leno is expected to go, Pablo Mari is expected to go, Torreira is expected to go. Those 3 now confirm Shola. So I never know who else they would like to send out. We'll just watch. Then another thing I say, make I ask you now, I say this season where they come now, what do you think should be our goal of this new season? Like for me now, you know, so we know if we win the league, no matter how you want paint them, no matter the coloration, we can't win the EPL. At this moment, now even the same thing where Rivaldo they talk and some pundits they talk, and even the Gaspar said talk and say at this moment now, you can't shy away from the fact say Man City and Liverpool are miles away from everybody, irrespective of the fact that they sign players to close the gap. For you to acknowledge that there's a gap in the first place that you want to close, it shows you that they are way ahead of everybody. You will compare the kind of players, the pedigree, the things they are doing, the numbers they are pulling at the end of the season. When you look at the numbers of these 2, compare them to the numbers of others, we don't say we not be made to get. How many matches did they lose in a season? That's how it goes to show you. We were good, or the good they say we'll meet them. Last season, we're supposed to knock them for every rate. We'll definitely be that 5 minutes of madness where the Premier guys just carry the call knock us. So I've been waiting to draw the draw, so I can't even remember. So now, moving forward, what do you think is our goal? Our goal for me is maybe breaking into the top 4. Once we get into the top 4, then probably winning the Europa League is winnable. We can win the Europa League, or win all these cups, all the FA Cup, Carling Cup, all those cups, then win out. So now be my own, do I see things, my own permutation, and do I see things. So what do you think say supposed to be our goal for this new season? Let me know in the comment section. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your day and game out.